stuff. Mike Schneider loading dock? Okay. Mike Schneider? Bro, this is a sick now. Thank you, Grandpa.
Okay.
You picked it out.
What could it be? Squishmallow.
Ooh, cute.
Another flannel. And chopstick.
You love those.
I do. But we didn't know what size I would be since.
There you go, Grandpa.
Well, thank you.
Oh, it's upside down. My bad.
I'm gonna go home and use it right now. Very nice. Merry Christmas from Riverside, Iowa. I'm at my aunt and uncle's house, and we are celebrating my dad's side of the family's Christmas, and I'm super excited because my niece and nephew are participating in this year's gift exchange, and it sounds like we have some really cool gifts in this year's exchange. So let's see what everyone ends up with.
I wonder which this one's gonna be.
Oh, wow. Don't get too comfortable with something.
That's right. Likely it's going to get sold.
What is it?
Face mask.
Oh, nice.
Yes. Face mask and a Starbucks gift card.
What do you think it is?
Don't know. You don't know that.
He's doing this for Oliver's sake.
What is it?
Shades considered apple pie.
Oh.
It's cute tiger.
He's very cute.
Ooh.
Ooh.
That's pretty.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah,
Mine's
I would
soft.
like it like
my
this.
blanket's soft.
Oh.
Big old flashlight.
Oh.
Holy cow.
So you can charge
Next to Rachel, come see me.
I think I'm gonna steal Maple's too.
Oh.
Your house.
Yeah, I wanna open
Cotton's going.
No, it's yours.
their cups.
Let's see.
It's a law package.
Open it up.
I am.
You gotta show off the wares.
You gotta show the wares.
Oh, those are pretty.
You got a Target gift card for $20.
Nice shirt.
Oh, knife sharpener. Thank you.
Where's your jingle? Maybe somebody had the same idea.
Oh, what a nice cup. Merry Christmas. Nice.
I need to sharpen my knives.
Oh,
And you got brand new knives,
I get that.
but I really do need to sharpen my knives.
Well, that works really well.
Does it?
Yeah. Marty said it works really well.
Let's just
for an
put
inch.
shambles
Using my knife, and she goes, oh my god,
We just have that.
I just sharpened them.
We got a lot of nuts and a Lowe's gift card. $25.
You can take those for your lunches.
Cool.
And a nice little piece of tissue paper at the bottom.
Yeah.
That's a bonus for next year. Yeah. I have one. Ooh.
Alright. Taking this one.
Sharpen young.
Not yet. Next year.
Oh, hey.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Ron wanted those. Ron,
You might get those stolen from you.
Oh no!
Dang it.
Wow, Pokemon.
Cool.
I'm taking these.
Oh, I forgot those were sitting
Aw, dang it.
Definitely not me.
I know.
You already used
A butter.
Oh, nice.
butter.
Body butter.
And then I got. No, we actually need this at our house. No, we actually need that.
We do need it though.
Woo! Couldn't have worked any better.
Let's go, Hawks. Real good with that.
Now that's fitting.
What did I do? I didn't buy it. Let's get it perfect.
Ooh, Marty will like that.
Well, you and I will go to a game.
I'll take your Hawkeye thing off your hands.
Oh, that was very
I was gonna throw in a 10 for you.
Yes! Oh!